morning, students. Today we'll be looking at a new topic, angles in a polygon. Angles in a polygon. The subtopic for today is quadrilateral and triangles. We are going to consider quadrilateral and triangles. Now, our objectives are as follows. 1, we are going to study the theorems of triangles and quadrilateral. 2, we are going to solve problems on angles in a triangle. And 3, we are going to solve problems on angles in a quadrilateral. Now, let's look at the theorems. The first theorem I have on the board is saying that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. The second one is saying that the base angle of isosceles triangles are equal. The base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. The third one, the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. I believe you all know that. The sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Then the fourth one is talking about quadrilateral, which is that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Quadrilaterals are four-sided shapes. So when you add the four angles together, it gives you 360 degrees. Now, the fifth one is saying that the exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now, all these theorems I'm going to explain in detail as we solve this question. Now, the first example we have on the board is saying that in a triangle ABC, angle A is 74 degrees. Angle B is 38 degrees. Find the value of angle C. So, what you need to do is to draw the triangle ABC. A, B, and C. Then locate the angle. A is 74 degrees. B is 38 degrees. And we are looking for C. We can represent angle C with a letter, maybe X. So, from this triangle now, what we need to do is that we apply one of the theorems. That's the first one, which says that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180. So, when I have X plus 38 plus 74, all of them added together will give me 180 degrees. That's the first theorem. So, we have X plus 38 plus 74. This is 1. You carry 1. This is 10, 11. You go to 180 degrees. For you to get X, you collect like terms by taking 111 to the other side. Then you have 180 minus 111. Which in the same way, we have 180 minus 111. You can do it this way as well. You borrow 1 from here to this place, that becomes 10. Minus 1, that gives you 9. You have 7 left here. 7 minus 1, that is 6. Here, 1 minus 1 is 0. So your X is 69 degrees. Now, let's look at the second example. Second example is talking about isosceles triangle. Remember, I said the other time, the base angle of isosceles triangles, they are equal. In an isosceles triangle, PQR, so you have to draw the isosceles triangle. You draw a triangle. How do we know that this triangle is isosceles? An isosceles triangle, we refer to this angle here as the base angle, and the angle here as the vertex angle. Now, this triangle is isosceles when these two sides are equal. The side here and this side here are being marked. That indicates they are equal. And in this question, before you name this isosceles triangle, don't forget, they said angle P and angle Q are the base angle. So, definitely your base angle, your P must be here as base angle, and your Q must be here as another base angle. Then here at the vertex here is your what? R. And R is giving us 67 degrees. Now they ask us to find the base angle. So I'm looking for this base angle. According to the theorem, they are equal, they are the same. So I can represent them with letter X. So from here, I can now move to theorem 1 and apply the sum of angles in a triangle, which is X plus 67 equal to 180 degrees. So X plus X will give you 2X plus 67 equal to 180 degrees. So you have to collect like 10 by taking plus 67 to the other side, and it becomes minus. You have 2x equal to 180 minus 67. Now when you subtract 180 minus 67, here you have 0, you borrow 1, that will give you 3. Then you have 1, then you have 1. That is 113 degrees. So you divide both sides by 2 for you to get the x. You have to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2 here. And when I divide this one by 2, 5 in 11 will give, 2 in 11 will give you 5. Remain the 1. You carry the other one, so this place become 13. 2 in 13 will give you 6. 15 degrees. And that is the value of x. That's the base angle. So each of the base angles are